Hello guys, this is Dance from the creator of Dance Info TV. In this video, I'm going to share with you my DIY, which means do it yourself, which I clean my AC filter of my split AC. If I can do it, you can do it too. Please watch until the end how I do it. In this video, we're gonna need vacuum cleaner, small brush, and clean cloth. Before we proceed guys, if you recently used the AC, then you have to change the mode into dry or fan mode in your settings, because it has water and moistures inside that we have to let it dry first before doing the cleaning. So let it run for 30 minutes, the fan motor itself, and then we start our cleaning. After 30 minutes, switch off the AC and let's start cleaning. First step, we have to open the lid front cover of the AC by pulling both sides gently. And then remove the AC filter, both sides. If your vacuum is not coming with accessories small brush, then take old small brush just like this and slowly brush the pins. Next step is we have to vacuum the blade of fan motor. By doing that, we have to insert the nozzle closer to the fan blade, and then our left hand try to rotate the blade while doing this procedure. Next step is cleaning the filter. If your filter is full of dust, then you have to soak with water and detergent soap. But in this case, we don't have to do that. We need just a vacuum to remove the dust. and return the air bacterial filter. Lastly, we have to return our bowl AC filter. Just slide in both sides and slowly cover the AC. And then use the clean cloth and wipe the front of the AC. And we're done. That's it, guys. I hope you like this video and please subscribe my channel. See you soon. Bye.